Then I pulled the Duggo. Well, so Ross is here now.
What?
What?
I can't hear you over there.
Well, good afternoon, guys. So today we are going to go to Russellville, finish up spraying up there. Hopefully we can get that all done. Then we're going to go to Steckler's down south of Vincennes. Somebody will come pick me up after that one because they won't be able to get my water truck down there. So I have to have someone come pick me up. Filling up water right now. Had to rinse everything out so I didn't flush that chemical, that bad stuff up into my tank. Had to flush it all out, make sure everything was cleaned out good. And then now we're filling up water out of the irrigation pump out back. And then we're gonna head up there. Ross is gonna come up later and get my water truck, take it back home. So hopefully we can get a little bit of something done today. That water is nice and chilly. That'll cool you off. So Ross is going to take up is going to take his sprayer to Russellville, bring my water truck home, then get his water truck and go back up to Russellville. I think that's what's happening at least, but so kind of check these tires. They all look good though, so but that's kind of the plan. That's kind of what's going on today. A little bit of that here and there. They just put the downspouts back on the old grain legs over there. They just got done doing that. I'd been at school all day, sadly, but I didn't get to catch that. Hopefully we can get ready for harvest, and we'll be harvesting here in the next couple of days. It's a plan at least, or not the next couple of days, but you get what I'm saying. From the day you guys watch this video, it'll be the next couple of days. So it's gonna be an interesting harvest for sure. Gonna be all kinds of spread out, jumping around a lot, but whatever, we'll do it. We'll get it done too, and we'll have fun with it. So, and since I'm right here, because I know a lot of people have asked about the water trucks, I know I explained it in one of my recent videos, but basically we have two fills and two exits on it. So this one fills and that one over there fills too. I got two induction tanks on here. They're both 30 gallons, and then I got this main line here with two valves on it, so I can run off the back tank or the front tank, and then it runs back there to them like so. And used to, if you can see here, there's a little valve right over there, and that valve we used to have was the one that shut off everything. Well, I got tired of running back there to shut it off, so we went ahead and we moved them up here. And then them ones up there on the tanks are just kind of like an emergency thing. If one of these hoses breaks or something like that, we kind of got a little bit of a plan in place. But it's pretty nice little setup. I'd really like to be able to revamp my induction tanks and kind of get them a little bit more up to date and fix them up a little bit, because they've had a lot of chemical ran through them. So then I got my little hand rinse tank over there just to kind of wash your hands off. Then there's a pump right there. I don't use it anymore, but I used to use it like if I don't know, if I had mud on my windows, I'd spray it off, or I'd use it to spray out these tanks or something like that. But I don't use it anymore because I don't use anything that really sticks to the insides of the tanks. So you might notice here that this irrigation is different. It goes over the top of that ditch, and it is a rather interesting ordeal. These bridges, I guess, we had made from some, I don't know what company it was exactly, but they had made them, and they are, I think some of them are 60 foot, and they go up to about 80 foot long. They cross this big ditch here. This system goes all the way around, and it covers a pretty good amount of ground. So it was worth the time and effort that it took to put all them in. But they was a pain to put in. We had the backhoe and our excavator over here and everything else, and man, it was fun, but it was a mess, because at one of these spots we was trying to set it down in where it's supposed to go, and whenever we tried setting it down, the backhoe had basically went up like this, and we thought we was going to lose the backhoe into the ditch, but we did it, and it's still alive. So yeah, it's a rather interesting irrigation though. It covers quite a bit of ground here, and it crosses a bunch of different bridges through these fields because there's a lot of ditches and a lot of other stuff goes on this field. So we're filling up now. Section 3 for grass again, super BHC to stabilize that. AMS is a nitrogen. So basically an ammonium sulfate. I dumped that in there. All that goes in there. So we're gonna get this done, packed up, and then I think Ross is gonna come up here and get it. He should be on his way in the sprayer and the Heggie. Should be here about any minute now. Look at that pretty fabulous concoction.
We just got the sprayer moved over to our Russellville farm after having a 3-day weekend for Labor Day. I hope everyone here had a good Labor Day weekend. But yeah, we got it up here. So there's Alex there. He's filling up his sprayer, but I brought my sprayer here. Got some corn I got to spray around here, and then I got to take his water truck home. So
Alex is over here, so let's go see what he's doing. What are you doing? A fuse? Don't fuse. He's breaking shit like me.
That one already flew.
Any problems here?
Yeah, it's called when everything breaks, you take the alternative route.
Should we not show this on camera?
Huh?
Should we not show this on camera?
You don't know.
So what you doing there?
Bypassing the fuse because it won't hold the fuse to the power, so therefore we got to make it work, because we are about 30 miles away from home right now and I can't use another pump on this trip. Well, so Ross is here now.
What?
What?
I can't hear you over there.
And I had to switch this pump out for that one.
Hey, don't listen to him. It's July.
This one broke, burned up, so I had to switch it to that one. So I don't know what's going on with them pumps, but I've had a lot of them go out recently, and I haven't had them that long. So I'm gonna have to take it down to the dealer, see if they can figure out what's going on with it, because I don't know, and I'm not that good of an electrician to be able to tell. So we're gonna finish filling up here. That took about 10 minutes out of me and Ross's day. Where'd you put my cap at?
Your cap?
Oh, there it is. You kicked it on the ground. Whoop. Blue loop.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back to the good old days. Being a water truck driver. That's what I first started out doing before I was spraying. I'd always drive water trucks around with the sprayer guys, so. So it's nothing new to me.
Stop at the house here and get something to eat. I'm not about home, but I'm getting ready to go across the Wabash River to go into Indiana from Illinois. Hopefully I can make it back in time and Mom's got food sitting out because I'm hungry. But I always love driving over this, especially this time of the year because the leaves are starting to turn. And it just looks so pretty. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting drive most of the time going from Indiana to Illinois, so I don't mind it too much. And it's kind of nice and peaceful today. There's not too much traffic out. Pretty good day overall. So I was just running along here spraying, and then I pulled a Duggo. Ross is on his way with a tractor, so hopefully he can get, hopefully we can get it out. He's bringing a 470. So
How you guys doing today? Back on Alex, pull to me. Just like that, we got it out.
Well, as you can obviously tell, Ross isn't the one that got hung up this time. I got hung up. Yeah, we're back spraying. Anyways, back to the video you guys was watching. Gonna add this into another one. Well, Ross came down here and got me. I was planning on getting some pretty good drone footage, but I didn't get down here early enough. I barely got here early enough, and then my drone wasn't working right, and yeah. And then Ross showed up just a little bit too late.
Showed up enough to, we were trying to drone, so I had to spray with the John Deere.
Did you break anything in the John Deere?
No, I did not. It was different than spraying with a Hagee. A lot different. It took a lot. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
You don't like it? Huh. Well, I guess Ross doesn't like the John Deere. That's too bad. Sucks for him because he gets to run the John Deere next year. So before we go ahead and finish out this video, we got two combines here. Bean combine, corn combine. And we gotta name them, but we gotta name the corn combine first because the corn's gonna be ready first. So, if you want to, or if you would please, leave us a comment down below and tell us what we should name the corn combine. Because we need a name for it, don't we, Ross?
We do.
What do you think we should name it?
I don't know.
Something cool?
Yeah, something cool.
Something cool, okay. Okay.
I don't know what that would be, though.
You don't? So me and Ross was talking, and we're gonna mount a GoPro up in here this fall.
No, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go buy a cheap GoPro. We're just gonna shove it through the combine, and hopefully she comes out the back and we'll get a video. See what happens.
That'd be pretty cool though if it did work.
I highly doubt it's gonna work though. It would work.
By the time it went through the chopper, it'd be in a million pieces. We could raise up the chopper.
We could.
Yeah, it might work then. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Ross appreciates it. We all love you guys watching. Have fun with it. Everything else.
Love you guys.
And we're getting ready to close up. We're going to go home. It's like 9:30, and I still got homework to do for school. So anyways, remember to leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you thought about the video. Give me a nice big old thumbs up. Also, remember to leave a comment on what we should name this combine. This guy. And
we will see you in the next video. Where do you go home?
is it nap time?
It's bedtime.
Nap time.
Bedtime.
No sleep.
Basically, I'll be getting up like 5 o'clock.
We don't sleep anymore around here.
What is sleep?
What is sleep?